As Jonas said, now we are just taking two different parts of the space echo recording, duplicate it and pen one side hard left and one side hard right. So we have a really special stereo effect for our lead synthesizer, and it makes it a lot brighter and organic. You can now hear that the new space echo effect fills the gap of the lead sound, and now it's time to level everything and group it together.
As already said, we really like working with the warping mode in a creative way. So for example, through the tones mode, there are a lot of artifacts or fragments that we really like for our texture. Now we are missing our typical Polaroid Moog atmospheres. So Maris is going to the Moog again, and with a little reverb he's playing some notes that are fitting the mood.